Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to send XRP to First Ledger wallet. First thing you need to do is open the Ledger Live on your computer or phone. Go to Accounts and select your XRP account. Now click Receive and verify the XRP address shown on your Ledger device screen. Then copy the XRP address from the Ledger Live wallet. Now log into your exchange or wallet where your XRP is stored, for example Binance or Coinbase. Go to the Withdraw or Send section and pass your Ledger XRP address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Destination tag. If it's your personal Ledger wallet, use 0 as the tag. If required by the exchange, use 0 or check their instructions. Just double check the address and tag before confirming. Then confirm the transaction and wait for the network confirmation, which is usually a few seconds to a few minutes. And that's it. Once confirmed, the XRP will appear in your Ledger Live XRP account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.